If you want to become a better day trader, the tools you use are important. But having everything set up the right way is even more important. A good setup can help you make faster and better trades. Today, I'll show you how to set up TradingView like a pro. We'll go step by step, from downloading the app to making your charts clean and easy to use. Alright, let's get started setting up TradingView like a pro. First, we're heading to TradingView.com right now. See up here? Click on Download Desktop App. Pick your operating system, either Windows or Mac, and hit Download. Once it's downloaded, open it up and install it. It's super quick, takes just a minute or two. Okay, now we're launching the app. You'll need to log into your TradingView account. If you don't have one, just make a free account. It's fast. When the app opens, it probably looks very plain, right? Don't worry, we're about to make it way better. Right-click anywhere on the chart and go to Settings. In the symbol options, turn off candle border colors. Next, in the status line options, turn off chart values. Turn off bar change values. Let's move to canvas option. Set grid lines to none. Alright, now that the chart is clean, click OK to apply the settings. Let's set up some tools. So right here we have several tool options to choose from. Let's start with this. We can bookmark the cross tool by adding it to our favorites. You can also add the arrow tool to your favorites. As you're adding them, you'll notice a toolbox showing up right here. Now, let's move to the next set of tools. We have the trend line. Let's add that to our favorites. Then the extended line. Add it too. The horizontal line. Add it. The vertical line. Add it as well. And the cross line. You can add that to your favorites too. Now moving to the next option. For the Fibonacci tools, you can add the Fibonacci retracement to your favorites. After that, we have the long position tool. Add that one. Then the short position tool. Add it too. Finally, for the measuring tools, you can add the price range and also the date range. So, at the end of the day, you can see we now have a full toolbox loaded with different options we can easily use for our trade analysis. Now that we have the toolbox set up, the next thing we need to do is add indicators. First, click on Indicators at the top of your chart. In the search bar, type Moving Average. You'll see a few options. You can either select Moving Average Exponential, or if you prefer, you can pick Moving Average Simple. Once you select it, close the search box. Now you'll see the indicator added to your chart. To adjust the settings, just double-click on the indicator itself. A settings box will pop up. Here you can change the length. Let's say set it to 50. Then move over to the Style tab. Change the color of the line to white, and increase the thickness to make it more visible. Once you're done, click OK. And that's it. We now have the simple moving average indicator properly set up on our chart. You can clearly see it displayed here. So that's how you add and adjust an indicator on TradingView. Now, let's fix your time frames. Click up here where the time frame options are. I'm keeping just 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour charts. Less clutter, faster trading. Alright, moving to the watch list on the right side. See all these random stocks? Let's organize them. You can drag this down to create more space for the watch list. We can as well move the stocks to the top. Drag them into the order you like. Final step, save your layout. Give it a name you'll remember. And that's it. Now you have a fast, clean, professional TradingView setup. Make sure to clean it up every few weeks. Remove anything that slows you down. Good luck, happy trading. And if you found this helpful, check below for more tips and free TradingView tools to help you even more. See you next time.